Hey guys, welcome back to the Girls That Never Slow Down. I know it's been a while, like a really long time. Yeah, that's Yvette. Hey, I said I wanted this one.
Hey.
Yes, I did. So today we are going to be doing a baking challenge, and oh, she's already failing. So basically, we're making cookies.
Cake mix cookies. I should preheat the oven. 350.
Yes.
I believe I can fly.
I'm making a strawberry cookie with white chocolate dip.
And I'm making a cookies and cream cookie because, like, duh, cookies with more cookies, it's success.
Cookie heaven.
I'm trying to see who make the better cookies out of cake mixes. So let's begin. Okay, if the camera's tilted and it's giving you OCD, I'm sorry.
Wait, do I use the recipe?
I was like, where'd it go? I'm like, did we buy it? And I was like, all right, took
Where's
it
the
out.
recipe? Do I use the recipe on the blocks or?
That's for you to find out. I don't know. I'm making my own kind of cookie.
All right, we winging it.
We wing it. Oh, what the heck?
Someone wants to be friends.
Psych. You should take the chance to anyone who wants to be friends with you. Did you just spill?
Yes. No. Cook it with the bag.
Oh my god. For my recipe, you're gonna need 1 box of white cake mix, half a cup of oil, and 2 eggs. You're getting dust everywhere. And you'll need cookies.
All you need for mine is cake mix, 2 eggs.
What kind of cake mix?
Oh, strawberry cake mix, oil, and white chocolate. Just one-handed egg crack. Do not try.
I can barely do it right.
That's not.
Always have a garbage can while you're cracking eggs.
Maybe for you.
Jesus Christ. Whoops. That was right there. Oh my god.
You're using that egg.
It's stuck in here. Well, that's gonna be great.
Can you explain? It'll be a great surprise.
Remember, you're not making cake, you're making cookies. Yeah. Who thinks of this? Rosie, probably.
What you're gonna want to do is get a blender. You're gonna want to get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about a row.
It really tastes a lot.
Hey, no. No, you don't worry though. Might use it a little bit too much.
Teaspoon. It's gonna expand, right?
Hopefully.
You know what? Give me that. It's gonna be big cookies. These are gonna bake for such a long time.
30 minutes. Probably. No, it is. Well,
Oh.
for mine.
Really?
Mhm.
How long do you think mine are gonna be? What if I ate this whole week?
That would be bad. So now we're just gonna put these in the oven. And Yvette, you can do that because I burned myself several times before.
You do the opening the door part.
Yeah, put yours on the bottom. By the way, maybe use a little bit less oil.
Yeah.
These
are
are
really oily.
extremely oily. But set it for 26 minutes. Both just came out of the oven. And we have an expert to come in. Come in! So every single time we do one of these challenges, we try to decide ourselves. But we thought...
No, she just showed up. We're like, okay, we're gonna put you in our video.
That's true.
Which one so far do you think looks the best?
These look like butts. And these look like, you know, the cement. These look like cement. I'd say these kind of look appetizing. It's gonna be unbiased.
Yeah, because we all know I'm the favorite.
Okay.
They have cooled
Bryce's.
significantly.
Really?
Try one, Yvette. Pick a cookie.
You guys all know that I'm the baking expert.
Yeah.
And then this is Yvette's.
Yvette.
Oh
God, we know I lost.
Actually, this is good.
No.
Oh,
I put
alright.
mine on the counter. Oh, I think mine's actually good.
Honest opinion. This tastes like a sugar cookie, and there's nothing wrong with sugar cookies. And I love sugar cookies. And these taste like sand. Just kidding. It tastes like sand, sort of, but I can still taste the cookies in it.
Yeah, that's true.
I would say the Oreo got it. I mean, I like this too. I like this.
Sugar cookie or sand? Sand!
Ooh.
Cookie
No, but I can taste.
Ooh. Try that. Are you not gonna try mine?
No, I like strawberry.
You don't like strawberry?
I like
So,
mine better.
like usual,
To be honest,
I like this too.
Then why did I win?
Like
I like
usual,
all of yours.
I
can
win.
taste the.
I like a cookie. Yes. Thank you for liking, commenting. No, just liking and subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos this summer. Goodbye.
Go check out my channel too.
She doesn't have one.
Yvette's Life.
You have one?
Yes.